Hello guys, you're welcome to another skincare routine today. How are you doing? If today is your first time you hopping on this channel, please subscribe. Okay, I want to say I do videos that they mainly be requested for, not just my own video personally. Okay, so this one, the question I got a question on my DM which says, sir, please, can we make any oil, or can you make any oil for us? So the oil should be an oil that will make our skin glow or white. However, we should feel it from the texture of your skin or of our skin that is hot. We prefer that oil. So in other words, the question came indirectly, right? She tried to ask a question like, is it kind of suggestion, or she just asking for opinion? So I said, okay, based on the fact that all the videos I've been making is not just my will, your will, and your wish is my command, I will do the video, alright? This oil we're about to do now is not just any other oil that you see basically at Ojota or at the marketplaces. No, this oil experiment has been carried out time with that number, and it has been concluded this oil is a nice oil. Trust me. The way y'all want it, as it implies hot oil, that is it. Yes. And we'll be making use of 14 oils. Yes, including serums, okay? The thing is, way back I did a video about 49 oils or 39 oils, thereabout. You know, when I tell you how you can make an oil for yourself, that you don't need to worry. So, but this oil we're about to making now is one of those oils that you will love and have a very effectiveness about it. It doesn't give blemishes, it doesn't give rashes or any pigmentation or changing of skin or skin discoloration, or how you may call it, white patches or stretch mark. No. So let's begin. We'll be making of 14 bottles of oils, including serum. So first of all, I want to introduce to you, you all know this oil, Magic White. Alright? Yes, and again, I want to inform you that all of the oil, most of them have glycerin, most of them have propylene glycol, most of them. So like, you're going to see that they are not far from each other. What we have in here is going to be in here. What we have the other one is going to be in here. If it's not here, it's going to be like maybe the third one, the fourth one. So they are just similar but different, different effectiveness and the same result. All right. So this one, I'm only teaching you how to make it. So first of all, we are using this. All right. Pick your bowl and open all of it and put inside all. Don't leave anyone. Use all of them. And this is about 250 ml. Yes, exactly. This is about 250 ml. And this oil is made of, I told you, glycerin and carrots. I think, and again, the major items I'm just calling for you. And again, we have medicament and a lot more about it. Right? So I want to show you another one. We'll be adding after this. After you put this one, you turn. It's turn of this. You take this and you open this. You all know this oil. Yeah, if I don't ever call them, you all know. Nature's Secret is one of the oil we know best. You know, we have different bottles of it. Some will come in green bottles, and they try to change the bottles and all that. Are you getting it? This is about 100 ml of it. Yes, take off that phone. So this is about 100 ml of it. So you put this one. for the fact that you put this one, that making 2 of it now. Don't say I didn't tell you. It's all about the measurement. Watch what I'm showing you. Make sure you put all of it, including the first one. Are you getting including the magic white? So you put all of this, making it 2 we've just put now. Okay, and you all know we have the carrot one of it. Some people believe that the carrot one of it is more effective, so it all depends on your usage, what you want to do. And let's see again what it contains, because I told you all of the oil they have. I just want to let you know they have similar. I told you this one also contain glycerin. That is just what I want to pick at. And you all know glycerin is a lightning properties, lightning agent. So I want you to understand that either all of the oil, they are similar but different effectiveness. That is real. Are you getting it? Then again, they are working towards one goal. You want to get white. That is why we're making this oil. Yes, trust me. So we've used 2 oils now. So then again, we're coming out with this one. Look at it. This lab Janice. Are you getting it? One thing I will tell you, always know the original. If you don't have the original, you will miss it. You will just miss it. So, but this lab Janice, you're not going to use all, you use half. Alright? You use half of this. And you see that this lab Janice, let's see the ingredient again. We don't have them in our hype, because the truth is, person like me, I read a lot. Are you getting it? And I do experiment a lot. I can remember where some people requested, please, we want to see how your lotion works on you. And automatically, that was a big challenge on me. And I have to use all my products. Yes, all my products. And then all of you see the way I was really looking wise. Not until I said, it's okay, it's okay. Are you getting it? So quickly, let me see what we have in here. Okay, what's the ingredient? Alright. Where's my glasses? You want to tell everybody I use glasses now? Okay. Anyway, my eyes are really okay. I can't really see proper now, but I know. Anyway, okay. I can't really locate this one right now because of the write-up. They are very small. But what I'm telling you, this, use half of this. Okay. Now, then again, at the middle, no, not even the middle, you have to bring this. Use 20 pieces of it. Open it. You all know this is vitamin E. Alright? So, not to say, oh, I didn't see any property of moisturizing. I mean, you have to put something that I have to moisturize. Yes, that is, we have this vitamin E. And we were supposed to use like 10 of it, but hence the oils are much. So let's say we use 20, it's okay. Alright? So that you can have the right skin texture. It's not just going to be white, everywhere just white and it's still looking rough. No. So this is going to help to blend the skin, so moisturize the skin. But don't forget, I've told you before some time ago that excess of vitamin E is bad. Are you getting it? In as much we need it, excess of it is bad. So just 20 pieces of it. Okay. Now then we come with this. I have all these products. I have them, and most of them, I see them. When people use them, they say they use them. It doesn't work because the reason why they don't work because they are not original. All right. So this one again, this is vitamin C. Look at it. And a lot of people, they've been using this one. They've been using, and you all know what vitamin C means for the body. Vitamin C, don't forget, is a lightning property also. Yes, it's a lightning property also. But not just because it's a lightning property. I told you some time ago, when you're missing the access of collagen in your body is a problem. So in the access of vitamin C in your lotion or in your body is a problem also. Okay, so have this in your mind that yes, vitamin C is always good. above and side that because you want to use it. No, it's always good. So we adding one of these. Okay, now let's bring this old friend I always bring. Old friend, I call it old friend. Look at it. This is lemon clay, and you know lemon clay is a lightning property. So now we try to achieve the height of hot oil. Don't forget, the height of this hot oil is really superb. So when you put all of this one, just imagine you put the whole of this. Half alone is okay for you. Half alone is okay for you. Basically, half at maybe 3-4 spoons or half of the bottle is okay. Now we say we put all of this, which is much. Are you getting it? All right. So you put one of this. Then you bring his brother or friend. I call it friend. This is Koji Clay. And it's not because I don't say much about it. Read them, you see, all of them, they are spot, they remove spot. Some they remove spot, some they are for wrinkles. Also, they smooth your wrinkle, they make you look younger. Read about them. It's not because I just don't want to make the video too long. So you use this at least 12 minutes or 30 minutes is okay for the video. You add this one of it. A clear spot, they take away every dirt also from your body. So now this is their elder brother, which is nano half caste, right? This one, it have the same tendency also to make you white. Are you getting it? So you use one of it. Okay. Now I bring in this clear serum. Are you getting it? This one, go through it, you see that yes, it remove dark spot, it make you young, make you look, smile, always, all that. Let's just add all that to it. But the basic thing it do, it remove dark spot from your body too. This one. Are you getting it? So you use one of it. Okay. Now we bring up this. You see this one, in most people, in most cases, it's of two types, right? It could come in a pink way. It could come in orange type. Are you getting it? So it has its own lotion to you. Can use when using with the lotion is fine. But in this case, we're making use of this. We make use of this and this hot oil. So add one of it. This is a nice one also. This lights up. A lot of people they use it because I know they buy it from me. Well, they buy it from me. So now, don't forget our beauty series. Yes, beauty series. Use half of beauty series. Use half of this beauty series. Alright, then we have our argan oil. You can use any of the oil. You can use almond or argan oil, right? And if you look properly, I told you all of them similar features they have. Either maybe glycerin or one thing or the other. They must have one thing that's similar and they work together. Use this one or you can use the other one. You can use almond oil. Yes, these are things I've used time without number. That's what I'm telling you. These are things I've used time without number. So you can use one of these. Alright? Don't say you come to this channel, you didn't get any knowledge. Then we'll be using this one for stretch mark, because some oils you might be thinking, oh, oils don't bring stretch mark. Who told you that? They brought, listen, they bring a lot of stretch mark and green veins as well, because the more they try to make the skin lightening, if they are not controlled, you see that all your veins will be out, maybe stretch mark and all that, before you see you have this mark. I get it as much because they try to penetrate through the help of the propylene glycol in it. They try to go deep inside and make sure they stretch the skin also and bring out the lightening out. So like they eating the first layer off, they're taking the first layer off. So they get stretch mark from that. Alright, so you add one of this. One. Okay, don't blend yet. I didn't say blend in as much as I love blending. So last but not the least, this is it. You know why I put this one last? Oh, Jesus Christ. For those of you who say, I want this oil to be hot on my skin, that's why I bring this out. Look at it. It's called Pure India White Whitening Serum. Boom. You see, I bet you this oil, the moment you spray this oil, The moment you spray on your skin, you begin to feel the hotness. And we talk about it, yeah? Because my customer, they get it always. It's not because you feel the hotness about it, no. But you feel the effectiveness is hot. It's hot. It will be hot for a while. Are you getting it? That's how you know if it's going to work on this. And it doesn't, and then it has very good aroma. For those of us who say, okay, are we going to put any fragrance? Sometimes you might put fragrance, right? Yes. But with me, with this, I'm okay. I'm okay because it has its own very, sweet fragrance. This. I don't know what it's been made of, the fragrance, but it has very sweet aroma, the fragrance in it. So after that, then you put your blender inside and blend the heaven out of them. Blend it, make sure you blend. If you want to blend 6 to 6, or you want to blend for 1 minute, but you blend the heaven out of them. Blend them very well. So when you finish blend, you can put in your bottle, or you can put in your jar, or you can put in your rubber, whatever you want to put it. But mind you, when you're using this oil, morning and night, you just don't use it on hot sun. Don't. Always be at home on your hot sun period. Whatever, depending in respective of our different countries, in respect of the our countries or our region, right? So always use it at a cool hour because this oil is really hot. It's really hot. So alright guys, we've come to the end of this DIY. Don't forget, this is how to make this oil, this hot oil you requested for, auntie. So then again, I just want to use this medium of time to tell you that we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere, all right? And if you want us to customize a very sweet oil for you or a lotion, yes, we will do that for you. If you know you can't go through all these, just place or call or shout us via the number on your screen, all right? So that is that. Don't forget, always check us on Instagram, check us on other Facebook, or our Facebook and other of our YouTube, Austin Global also. So we say bye bye till we meet again.